In this video, I'll be talking about the quotient rule and how to use this method to solve for derivatives. This rule states that if f and g are both differentiable functions, then the derivative of f divided by g is equal to f prime times g minus f times g prime, all divided by g squared. So if we want the derivative of two functions being divided by each other, this is the formula we're going to use right here. For my example, I have y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by the square root of x, and I want to find y prime. So here I see I have division, so I know I can use the quotient rule. And I'm going to treat this top function to be f and the bottom to be g. So since we wanted f prime times g minus f times g prime divided by g squared, I'm going to first take the derivative of the top function. And using the power rule, I'll get 2x plus 4, and then I'll multiply by g, then minus f, and then take the derivative of the square root of x, which is 1 divided by 2 times the square root of x. This is all divided by the square root of x squared, because this will be my g squared here. And now I will do a little bit of simplifying. So I'll rewrite this as the square root of x times 2x plus 4 minus x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by 2 times the square root of x, and I'll have this over x because the square root and the square will cancel. Now here I'm going to want to multiply by 2 times the square root of x on top and bottom. That way I can subtract these two. So then I will get 2x times 2x plus 4 minus x squared plus 4x plus 3 over 2 times the square root of x all over x. And now here I will get 4x squared plus 8x minus x squared minus 4x minus 3 over 2 times the square root of x all over x. So now here I will get 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 over 2 times the square root of x. And here I'm going to multiply by 1 over x, because division is the same as multiplying by 1 over that number. And then finally I will get 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 over 2 times x to the 3 over 2.